travels when she is happy. She travels when she is sad. She has a fabulous travel wardrobe and you cannot miss her vacay photo dump when you scroll down her Insta. Let's see what's in her trolley. We are talking about none other than Tanushree C.
Hello.
Who's going to do the trolley reveal for us today? Are you doing this for the first time?
Actually, for the first time. Trolley reveal for the first time. Yeah.
Okay, and you are a travel enthusiast, and I have been one lucky person who has actually traveled with her.
Yes, that's right. To Dubai, right?
Yeah, we traveled in Dubai together.
That's right.
But you travel a lot. You have
Yeah.
recently been to America as well. So, which is your favorite international destination?
My favorite international destination is New York, LA, Scandinavia. Scandinavia মধ্যে like Bergen. I really like Bergen, Denmark, Stockholm, Oslo, and Singapore. I like cities. I really liked Sydney. Like my favorite. And these destinations are my favorite.
Okay, and here you have packed obviously a little bit to show your muss, and that too for a summer travel.
Yes.
But you were telling me that you usually overpack. So
I always overpack. I don't know why. Like always. Even if I'm going for a domestic, somewhere domestic, there's always over luggage. So I have to carry take a small trolley, which I kind of divide. I don't know why. I always overpack.
and you wear so many pretty outfits, but you tell me when you do not get to wear some outfits that you packed, do you feel sad?
I feel very sad, and all the time it happens. It happens all the time. They're like half of the outfit I wear.
Yeah.
Sometimes I try to I never try to repeat, but sometimes it's like maybe once you're wearing and you repeat and you don't get to change. You don't. So sometimes some clothes are still there packed. So that's how.
Okay, so what's the first thing that you want to show us, Tanushree?
I want to show you the kind of clothes I wear for summer if I go to a beach.
Okay.
Right? So I want to show you something. So this is one color I really liked, which is white.
White
is
a
summer
must
color,
for
must.
summer, yeah.
So this is one. There's a jamdani
Oh, it's
work,
lovely.
and there's booty. So
A dress.
a dress. So this is one.
Perfect beach wear.
Yeah, perfect beach wear. And this is one, floral print, which I really like. This is for, if I have to go in the evening or in the afternoon for any, lunch or brunch somewhere, inside the property, I kind of wear this kind of, outfit,
Okay.
which is a floral print, which is again a, summer
Must.
thing.
Yeah.
Must.
Are you a beach person or a mountain person?
Well, it depends. If I'm going alone, I kind of I like beach. If I'm going, I like mountain too. But mountain is like very calm and. But I like beach. I think I'm a beach person.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's next?
Okay. So this is again a dress.
Okay.
Which if I have to
Oh, it's a lovely red.
if I have to if I have to go on a dinner date, then this is the color.
Nice. Have you ever been on a random date during your travel? Because you travel solo a lot. Have you ever given a random date a chance?
No, not a random date, but yeah, I went on a date, but not a random date, of course.
But have you been asked out, because you're pretty and traveling solo? Have you been asked? Has anybody ever approached you while you were traveling?
No, but I
solo for a
generally
coffee maybe.
no, but I generally I try to be with my friends.
Okay.
So I always plan with my friend who stays abroad or
Locally.
locally.
Yeah. Okay.
And either friends or bhaiya bhabhi. So so that for me security is very important. So that because I always think that I'm traveling alone, so I should be able to
Connect
connect
with
with
the
people
there.
I know.
Yeah. Right.
So if I'm going on a drink or on a coffee, on a brunch, on a dinner, it's a kind of I know the
It's
I
with the
should-
people you
it's
know.
with the people I know.
Okay. What's next? I can see a
So
book.
yeah, so a book. This is a Ruskin Bond. Yeah, boarding pass is always the Vistara boarding pass. It was, I think, it was long back.
I think
So
most people who travel with books use boarding passes,
boarding passes
as
are their
bookmarks.
bookmark. Yeah, that's right. So a book always, when you're traveling alone, this is your date. This should be your date.
Okay.
All the time. I have to mention my speaker. My wireless speaker, which I can connect with my phone. If I'm working, either I'm working or shooting, if I'm going on a beach, this is always with me.
So the
Yeah.
speaker reminds me, are you a party person?
No, if I'm with a lot of people and we need good music, and everybody, if all my company they need good music, then we can.
Then
I
you
always
are the DJ in the team.
I'm the DJ, and I always take control of my,
Of the music.
Of the music. That's right. So this is something I never leave.
It's better to have your own playlist than
Yes.
depending on someone else. I believe.
Absolutely. And especially when you're alone in a room, or you're always like, whenever I take I book a room, my room is always with a good view. So when I went to Destin, Florida, so Destin beaches are like one of the best beaches in the world. So my room had the fantastic view, and I already posted the picture. So I was actually wearing this,
Okay.
and it was so good. It was so cold, but my music was like with me. So it was beautiful.
Okay. And what's next?
Definitely sunglass.
Right.
I cannot leave my sunglass if I'm on a beach. So yeah, this Louis Vuitton sunglass, which is like it's kind of
Oh wow, it's
it
black
has
and
got
gold.
black and
Wow.
gold. So I have to
It's
this is something it's very
it's
classy.
Cool.
There's another sunglass, so I carry 2-3 sunglasses. That's the reason I always overpack. That's how I overpack,
Okay.
So this is Tom Ford sunglass. So I'm gonna show you. This is how I overpack. And last but not the least, my accessories.
Okay.
So this is something I always I need this hairband, and it's my go-to hairband, because whenever I go to any beach or mountains, but when I go to any beach, there's always wind. It's always windy, and I have I have to control my hair. So, but I want to keep my hair open because I want to click good pictures. So, but I don't want my hair to cover my face. So this really helps me. So yeah, these are the thing which
Okay.
is which I always carry, and definitely my phone and scarf which I think I'm not carrying.
Right now.
I'm not carrying my scarf, but scarf and hat, which I
was
carry.
coming to that actually.
Yeah.
I was going to ask you what is that one thing that you're obsessed with when you're traveling, but then I remember from Dubai travels that you're a hat
Yes.
person.
Yes.
So do you want to tell us,
Yes.
though there's no hat today, but do you
Yeah.
want to tell us about your hat
It didn't fit.
obsession?
It's so
It did
big.
not
It
fit.
didn't
Okay.
fit in my bag, my trolley, my small trolley. But it's there in my big trolley.
Yeah.
And I carry 3 hats. So
Okay.
3 types of hats. One is for beach. One is for, you know, if I have to go wear a dress and go to any property, you know, which the one I wore in Dubai, I remember. It's not for beach. It's for any, you know,
Going
if I-
around
going
a nice
around and-
fancy place.
yeah, that's right. And I have another hat which I bought from Miami. Miami is one place which I really like.
Okay.
I love that place. So I bought that hat from Miami. It is a very classy hat. Like if I can wear that hat with a blazer. So that is something very classy hat. So I have 3 types of hat. Yeah.
Okay.
And couple of caps also. So I carry caps which I wear in you know, if I have to walk somewhere, you know, if I have to go to airport, so I carry caps. So that's.
We are going to do another video where Tanushree is going to just show us her hat and cap collection.
Yeah.
Okay, and you promised us on this show that
Yeah.
you'll do that with us.
I can do that. I can do that. But I have to, you know, my hats and caps are with me, but hat is somewhere,
Treasured.
you know, it's treasured. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna
and
show you.
how much do you think it's true, the intro that I gave for you, that you travel when you're sad, you travel when you're happy? Do you agree?
I do agree. I travel is my. I'm a travel person. Whenever I travel, I feel so happy. My mood changes. So, and not only travel, exploring. Sometimes, you know, people travel, go to any property, be in the property. That is a one kind of travel. I go. I don't do that much plan. And I'm a city person, let me tell you. I don't go to, you know, exotic places. Yeah, like I do every kind of travel. When I travel, I don't plan that much. Yeah, I do basic planning, that which are the places I'm going. I do book my, you know, flights, book my like my places. But
But then you are an impromptu traveler.
Yeah,
like you
I think
explore.
sometimes I'm an impromptu traveler. Sometimes I book everything, and sometimes, you know, my favorite kind of travel is I go for a walk, and then I extend my, you know, stay. So that is a kind of travel I really enjoy, because I am somebody who's working. You know, I'm a workaholic person. I love working, and when I'm traveling, I should be able to work and travel. So yeah, because you know, for traveling, money has to come. So I have to work
True.
and travel. So that way I'm like relaxed. Okay, I can travel. That's how I.
Okay, lastly, where are you traveling next?
For my shoot, definitely. But I have to. I don't know the place actually, but
You're still planning.
I'm not planning. My production is planning. So probably within India. But then international, I don't know where. So
Okay, that's a surprise. For that, you have to watch her Insta.
that's right. And T2.
And T2. Thank you, Tanushree. Thank you for doing the trolley reveal with us.
Thank
and
you
we
for-
will also do the hat reveal soon.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Thank you for having me.